Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about infrastructure as code IaC. Infrastructure as code is a modern DevOps practice where servers, networks and cloud resources are automatically provisioned and managed using code instead of manual configuration. It helps maintain consistency, speed, and reliability across deployments. Figure shows the working of IaC. User writes configuration of infrastructure required as a file. The IaC tools like Terraform, Ansible, Chef, Puppet creates infrastructural environment specified in the file. Infrastructure as code is the ability to provision and support your computing infrastructure using code instead of manual process and settings. Any application environment requires many infrastructure components like operating systems, database connections, and storage. Developers have to regularly set up, update, and maintain the infrastructure to develop, test, and deploy applications. IaC automates infrastructure setup using scripts or configuration files. IaC ensures consistent environments across development, testing, and production. IaC enables faster and repeatable deployments. IaC reduces human errors caused by manual configuration. IaC improves scalability and disaster recovery. IaC supports version control for infrastructure changes. IaC treats infrastructure components like software, allowing you to use development practices like version control, testing, and CI/CD pipelines. Tools of infrastructure as code. The following are the tools of infrastructure as code. They are Terraform, Ansible, Chef Infra, Puppet. Figure shows the different tools that are used for IaC. User writes configuration as a program file and submits to one of the tools. The IaC tool assigns infrastructure or computing environment as per the user specification in the file. Tools of infrastructure as code. Terraform. Terraform is an open source infrastructure as code tool that allows engineers to define, provision, and manage data center infrastructure using a human readable declarative configuration language. This approach treats infrastructure management like software development using version control, automation, and collaboration. Ansible. Ansible is a popular agentless infrastructure as code tool used for configuration management, application deployment, and task automation. Chef Infra. Chef Infra is a powerful agent based infrastructure as code tool that automates server configuration, deployment, and management across on premises, cloud, and hybrid environments. Puppet. Puppet is a declarative open source infrastructure as code tool that automates system configuration, management, and deployment using a domain specific language. What are the benefits of infrastructure as code? The benefits of infrastructure as code are speed and efficiency, consistency and reliability, configuration drift prevention, enhanced security and compliance, cost optimization, scalability, accountability and collaboration, and reduced key person risk. What is mutable and immutable infrastructure? If a system's configuration is supposed to be changed over its life cycle, the system is considered as mutable. If a system is rebuilt on every configuration change, then it is considered as immutable. Immutability is rarely absolute, but rebuilding on every configuration change reduces the likelihood of configuration drift, and any configuration drift will be corrected much faster. The terms mutable and immutable are closely linked with the two main ways of building and maintaining infrastructure. They are frying and baking.